Chapter 2, Relations and Functions. Cartesian product of two sets. Definition: given two non-empty sets, P and Q, then Cartesian product P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs of elements of P and Q. Set of all ordered pair of elements of P and Q, that is P cross Q is equal to P ordered pair. This is ordered pair. This is ordered pair. P belongs to Q, P belongs to P, and Q belongs to Q. That is P belongs to P and Q belongs to Q. This is the set Cartesian product. What is ordered pair? The pair of elements together in a particular order. Order is particular, that is fixed. Means P element is always related to first set, Q is always related to second set. Now I give one example. If P is a set of A and B and Q is set of 1, 2, 3. Now what is P cross Q? P cross Q, what is ordered pair of all elements of P and Q? सारे ordered pair लिखने हैं P and Q के सारे elements के. So if I take element of P is A and Q is 1, again ordered pair A element first is always represent set P and second element is always represent set Q. Now again A, 2, A, 3. Now all elements of A is related to Q. Now element B is ordered with second set Q1, B2, B3. So this is the Cartesian product if number of elements in P is P and number of elements Q is Q, then you say that N cross, then you can say that P cross Q is equal to P into Q. Suppose here number of elements in P is 2, number of elements Q is 3. Now P cross Q is 2 into 3. How many ordered pairs? 6. Now you count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ordered pair is there. Now there are some properties. If in two set, one is null set and other is a set, then P cross Q is also a null set. If one of them is a null set, then P cross Q is also a null set. Now if ordered pair of first element is equal to the ordered pair of second element, then there are some properties we can see here. If order ordered pair AB is equal to XY, then A is equal to X, B is equal to Y. If A cross null set, then it is also a null set. In particular, if R cross R is equal to ordered pair XY such that X comma Y both belongs to R. If R cross R is equal to ordered pair is XYZ such that XYZ belongs to R. So these are the some relations regarding sets, Cartesian product. Exercise 2.1. Question first. If x upon 3 plus 1 y is equal y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 5 by 3, 1 by 3, find x and y. Find x and y. See here, this ordered pair is equal to this ordered pair. So element of first ordered pair of this and first this are equal. So this implies x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 3. So x upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1. X upon 3, take LCM 3. So it is 5 minus 3. So 3 cut, 5 minus 3, x is equal to 2. Now second element is y minus 2 by 3 of this ordered pair, and for this ordered pair second element is 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Y is equal to 3 LCM 1 plus 2. Y is equal to 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. So in this way we find x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2. If set A has 3 elements, and the set B is given to you 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. You have to find number of elements in A cross B. So number of elements from here in B is 3. So n cross A, B is equal to 3 in A and 3 in B. So n cross AB, number of elements in A cross B is equal to 9. Question third. If G is given to you 7, 8, H is given to you 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. First we find G cross H. So what is the elements set of G? 7, 8 cross 5, 4, 2. So what is the ordered pair? In curly bracket write in ordered pair first element of set G and second element of set H. First element of set G, second element of set H. First element of G, second element of set G. Now 8 with cross 5, 4, 2. So it is 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8, so this is G cross H. Now I will find 2 elements in G and 3 elements in H. So total elements of G cross H is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now H cross Z, we see that in H cross Z, H is 5, 4, 2. This is our first set now, and G cross G is second set. So H cross G is equal to first ordered pair is 5, 7. Second ordered pair 5, 8, 5, 8. Now first ordered pair element is 4, 7 and 4, 8, 2, 7, 2, 8. We see that number of elements is 6, but G cross H is not equals to H cross G. Now, state true and false. Question number, state whether it is true or false. If it is false, rewrite the statement again. State true or false. First part, if P is equal to Mn and Q is equal to, it is set, P is Mn, Q is equal to Nm, then P cross Q is equal to Mn and Nm. So, how many elements here it is given? Two ordered pair. होंगे कितने? And P में कितने हैं? 2. Q में कितने हैं? 2. So and P cross Q कितने होंगे? 4. So it is false. So rewrite again. P cross Q is equal to M cross N, M cross M, N cross N, comma N, and N, comma M. This is the four ordered pair in Cartesian product of P cross Q. Now I will take second part. If A and B are non-empty set, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pair such that pair XY, X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. A cross B is given to you ordered pair X comma Y. Now such that X belongs to A, and Y belongs to B, So पहला एलिमेंट किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? A को, and second किसको कर रहा है? Y को. So it is true. Now third, if A is given to you 1, 2, B is given to you 3, 4, then A cross intersection B intersection 5 is equal to 5. Then this B intersection is left hand side, B intersection 5 is 5, so A cross 5 is 5. It is null set. So this statement is true. Question 5. If A is equal to -1, 1, find A cross A. Now first we find A cross A. -1, 1, this is a set A cross with set A. A cross A. Now how many A cross A ordered pair are there? 4. So write 4 ordered pair A cross A. Minus 1, minus 1 and 1. 1 set 1 का element 1 and second का minus 1 and 1 comma 1. Now this is A cross A. Now what we do? A cross with A cross A. Now इसका set लेंगे अपन minus 1 1 cross with this. These are the elements now. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1. So how many elements in this? A 2. इसको अपन ने 1 मान लिया, ठीक है? So A cross A is equal to number of elements in this 2 and number of elements is 4. Total 8 ordered pair we have to write. Now इसको लीजिए minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1. Now take this second element of first set and these are the second elements. So write it 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1. Now 1 1 minus 1 1 1 1. So this is A cross A cross A cross A. Now question number 6. If A cross B is equal to, given to you, Cartesian product of A cross B is given to you AX, AY, BX, BY. Find A and B. Find A and B. Set A. What is set A? Ordered pair का पहला एलिमेंट. तो ordered pair के पहले एलिमेंट क्या है? A and B. Now what is B? Ordered pair के second element. It is XY. This is A and B. This is A and B. 2 elements in A, 2 elements in B, 2 into 2, 4, so it is 4 ordered pair. Question 8. First we take 7. Let A is given to you, set 1, 2, B is given to you, set 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C is given to you 5, 6 and D is given to you 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 4 sets. Verify. You have to verify. Number 1, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now see here, first we take left hand side A cross B intersection C. So what is B intersection C? B is 1, 2, 3, 4, intersection C 5, 6. So B intersection C is 5, null set, nothing is common. So A cross 5 is what? Null set. This is left hand side. Now right hand side, A cross B intersection A cross C. So first we find A cross B. What is A? 1, 2 and cross B 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many ordered pair in A cross B? 2 इसमें, 4 इसमें, तो 8. So you can write A cross B. So it is 1, 1. First element लिया 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. This is A cross B. Now I will take A cross C. A cross C. A set is 1, 2 and C set is 5, 6. So how many ordered pair? 4. 1, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. So what is A cross B intersection A cross C? Any ordered pair is common. 1, 1 you find it here, 2, 5 you can find it here, 1, 6, 1, 5. So nothing is common, so it is 5. This proves that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now I will take second part. Second part of this is A cross C is subset of B cross D. So first we find A cross C. A cross C अपन ने already निकाल लिया है. This is A cross C. Write it here. 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. This is A cross C. Now what is B cross D? We have to find B cross D. What is B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross D. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 4 into 4, 16 ordered pair you have to write. 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. So check. A cross C के सारे एलिमेंट्स A cross B cross D में 1,5 it is here, 1,6 here, 2,5 here and 2,6. All these elements contained in B cross C. This implies that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Question 10. The Cartesian product A cross A has 9 elements, in which we have to find 2 ordered pairs. 2 we have find, 2 are found in A cross A is given to you -1, 0, 0, 1. Find the remaining elements. Find remaining elements in A cross A. Now first we find set A. A में कितने elements हैं? So A belongs to -1, 0 belongs to A. Second ordered pair is also A. So 0, 1 also belongs to A. It means A is equal to, this implies A is equal to -1, 0, 1. -1, 0 और 1 सब किसके एलिमेंट्स हैं? A के. Now we have to find A cross A. -1, 0, 1 cross -1, 0, 1. 3 elements in A and 3 elements in A. So total number of ordered pair is 9. See here. इसको लेंगे -1, -1, -1, 0. -1, 1. Now first element of A. Now 0, -1, 0, 0 and 0, 1. Now 1, 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So this is A cross A. This is A cross A.